ever felt the weight of the world on your shoulders as a team leader, struggling to inspire motivation and autonomy within your team? The secret to creating a self-driven team might be simpler than you think. It lies within the power of objectives and key results, or OKRs. OKRs are a goal-setting framework that encourages transparency, alignment, and focus within a team. They are a powerful tool that can help transform a group of individuals into a cohesive, self-driven team. The first step in implementing OKRs is to set clear and ambitious objectives. An objective is a clearly defined goal that is both inspiring and challenging. It's something that pushes the team out of their comfort zones and encourages them to aim higher. Next, define measurable key results. Key results are specific, time-bound targets that measure the progress towards the objective. They are quantifiable and measurable, providing a clear benchmark for success. After setting objectives and key results, it's time to ensure alignment within the team. Alignment is the process of ensuring that everyone on the team understands and is working towards the same objectives. This promotes a sense of unity and shared purpose. Now, the team is ready to execute. This is where the rubber meets the road. Encourage team members to take ownership of their key results and empower them to make decisions. This fosters a sense of autonomy and motivates the team to drive towards their objectives. Periodic check-ins and reviews are essential to maintain momentum and ensure that the team is on track. Celebrate the small wins along the way and use setbacks as learning opportunities. This keeps the team motivated and engaged. And finally, once the time period for the OKRs has ended, it's time to reflect. Analyze the key results, celebrate the successes, and learn from the failures. This reflection phase is crucial for continuous improvement and growth. OKRs have been successfully implemented by companies like Google and LinkedIn, proving their effectiveness in driving team autonomy and motivation. The beauty of OKRs lies in their simplicity. They provide a clear, easy-to-follow framework that can transform the way a team works. Remember, the journey towards creating a self-driven team is not a sprint, but a marathon. It takes time, patience, and a lot of effort. But with OKRs, that journey can be a little easier and a lot more rewarding. In conclusion, creating a self-driven team is no longer a daunting task. With the power of OKRs, you can ignite motivation, foster autonomy, and drive your team towards success. So why wait? Start implementing OKRs today and witness the transformation. And with that, we draw the curtains on today's enlightening journey through the world of OKRs. Until next time, keep aiming higher and pushing boundaries. Because remember, the sky's the limit.